Have you ever had a neighbor who was too loud, too noisy? Maybe they played music at midnight. Maybe they walked too heavy. Maybe you could hear everything through the wall. Emma has that problem right now, and she really needs to talk to someone about it. Let's listen. Alex, hey, do you have a minute?
Yeah, of course. What's up? You look tired.
I am so tired. I didn't sleep well last night.
Oh no. Why? What happened?
My neighbor, again, he was so loud last night, I could hear music through the wall until 2 in the morning.
2 in the morning. That's crazy.
I know, and it's not the first time. This happens maybe 3 or 4 times a week now.
3 or 4 times a week? How long has this been going on?
About a month since he moved in.
A whole month? Emma, that's really bad. You must be exhausted.
I am. I go to bed at 11. I close my eyes, and then, boom, the music starts.
What kind of music?
Loud music, very loud. I don't even know what kind. I just hear the bass through the wall. Boom, boom, boom.
Oh, that's the worst. The bass is always the worst part.
It's terrible, and I can't sleep with that sound, so I just lie there staring at the ceiling.
That sounds really frustrating. Did you talk to him?
No, not yet.
Why not?
Because I don't know him. I've never spoken to him before. I only see him sometimes in the hallway, and we just nod at each other.
Okay, but you have to say something, Emma. This can't keep going.
I know, but what do I say? I don't want to start a problem.
You don't have to be rude about it. Just knock on his door and be friendly. Say something like, "Hi, I'm your neighbor. I live next door. I just wanted to let you know that the music is a little loud at night. Could you turn it down?"
That sounds so easy when you say it.
It is easy. Most people don't realize they're being loud. He probably has no idea.
You think so?
I think so. When did he move in?
About a month ago. I think he's young, maybe 20-something.
Ah, young people sometimes forget that other people have different schedules. He probably goes to bed at 3 in the morning and thinks everyone does the same.
Maybe. I just don't want him to be angry at me.
Why would he be angry? You're not doing anything wrong. You're just asking him to be a little quieter. That's completely normal.
I guess you're right. I just hate these kinds of conversations.
I know. Nobody likes them. But think about it this way. Right now, you're losing sleep every week. That affects your whole day, your energy, your work, everything.
That's true. I was really slow this morning. I made 3 mistakes in one email.
3 mistakes in one email?
Yeah, you need to sleep, Emma. I know. Okay, so I just knock on his door and be friendly.
Exactly. Knock on the door, smile, be friendly. Keep it short and simple. You don't need a long speech.
What if he doesn't answer the door?
Then try again later. Or write a small note and put it under his door.
Oh, a note. That's actually a good idea. Maybe that's easier than talking face to face.
It can be, yes. Just keep the note short and polite. Something like, "Hi, I'm your neighbor in apartment 4. I have work early in the morning. Could you please turn the music down after 11? Thank you so much."
That's really good. Can you write it for me?
Emma.
I'm joking. I can write it. Okay, I'll do it tonight when I get home.
Good. And Emma, what's his name, your neighbor?
I actually don't know his name. I never asked.
Okay, so when you knock on the door, introduce yourself first. Tell him your name. Ask his name. Make it friendly, not confrontational.
Confrontational? That's a big word.
It means like a fight, like you're starting a fight.
Ah, okay, yes, I don't want that.
Exactly. Just be normal and friendly. I think it will go better than you think.
I hope so. What if it doesn't work, though? What if he keeps playing loud music after I talk to him?
Then you talk to your landlord.
My landlord, right.
Yes. Tell your landlord the situation. Most buildings have rules about noise at night. After 11 or 12, you're not allowed to make a lot of noise. It's called a quiet hours rule.
Oh, I didn't know that. We have that rule in my building?
Most buildings do. Check your rental agreement. It's probably in there.
Okay, that's really helpful, Alex. I didn't think about the rental agreement.
That's what I'm here for. Actually, Emma, can I ask you something?
Of course. What?
What floor do you live on?
The third floor. Why?
And your noisy neighbor, which apartment exactly?
Apartment 32, right next to me. Why are you asking?
32, third floor.
Yes. Do you know something?
Emma, I moved into a new apartment last month.
What?
Apartment 32, third floor.
Alex?
I am so sorry.
You are my noisy neighbor?
I didn't know you lived there. I had no idea.
Oh my goodness, I have been complaining about you this whole time.
I'm really, really sorry. I didn't realize the music was that loud. I wear headphones sometimes, but other times I just play it through the speaker.
Until 2 in the morning, Alex.
I know. I'm so sorry. I go to bed late. I didn't think about the neighbors.
I was going to write you a note.
Please don't write me a note. I will turn the music down, I promise. No more music after 11.
I can't believe this, of all the people in the world.
Well, at least now you don't have to knock on a stranger's door.
That's true. This is actually very funny.
It is a little bit funny. I'm really sorry, Emma. Genuinely. I will be quieter. I have your word.
Okay, thank you, Alex. But next time I can't sleep because of you, I am knocking on your door at 2 in the morning.
That's completely fair. Deal.
Deal. Good night, neighbor.
Good night, neighbor. Sleep well tonight.
I will. Finally. And that's the end of today's conversation. Emma had a noisy neighbor. She was nervous to talk to him. And then she found out the noisy neighbor was Alex, her coworker, her friend. What a small world. Now here is your challenge for today. Do you have a neighbor story? Maybe a funny one? Maybe a frustrating one? Write it in the comments below. In English, even one sentence is great. See you in the next episode. Keep listening, keep practicing. You've got this.